Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the rewind disrupt class. So what you need to do first is go to your loadout battle royale page and tap the class page at the bottom of your screen. This one, disrupt rewind class. As you can see, this is allow player to teleport to location from 6 seconds prior, and also your movement speed will be reset. So it has a passive trait, disrupt. After activating skill, your movement speed increase. Let's tap the detailed yellow icon, and also it has passive trait, the tactical mask, reduce the impact duration of a flashbang grenade, and also concussion grenade by 40% if you active this glitch. It allows you to teleport to location for 5 seconds or 6 seconds. Let's try in the battle royale training ground. Welcome to the training ground. So we are going to try this time rewind. Let's active the skill, but before that, as you can see, I'm near the enemy. Let's take the action, tap the skill. As you can see, I'm backward. Last point, I'm here in this point. Let's try one more time. Look, I'm here. Active the skill. As you can see, I'm moving backward. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.